Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is sponsored by ERC Helpdesk. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and for coming to me with this opportunity to share to you all. I am super excited to share this opportunity. It is the beginning of the new year, and a lot of people are interested in making money, interested in alternative and creative ways to generate revenue, income for their household. And so I'm coming to you all with a way that you can make money with really no investment. You don't really have to put any money into doing this per se. I mean, you can if you like, but this is something that you can do that generates money based on you sharing this good information. If you are wanting to know more about ERC, what that is, how it helps businesses, be sure to click the video below this one. I did a whole video explaining what ERC is. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money. So if you are interested, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be looking down at my phone just to refer to my notes. So people that are wanting to earn money, you can earn 4% commission for successfully filed and paid claims. The average claim is $150,000. An average commission per client is $6,000. That's a lot. So just a brief description of what ERC is. So it's a retention tax credit program through the IRS. And it's for businesses that were negatively impacted by COVID-19 shutdowns in 2020 and 2021. The ERC Helpdesk specializes in helping file those claims and get what is owed based on the business qualifications. It's a very simple process to apply for the claim, and it's a very intricate process once the claim is already submitted. So that's one of the benefits in working with specialists, because once you submit your information over, they know all of the details as far as how to qualify as many business owners as they possibly can that fit into this criteria for the ERC tax credit, which gives up to 26 or could give up to 26,000 per W-2 employee. So that's a lot of money. So click that link and watch that after this. That way you know exactly what the ERC credit is, who qualifies, who doesn't, and how to apply, and so forth and so on. But if you find a business owner that does qualify, or you think may qualify for the ERC tax credit, and they actually do, this is when you can start earning commission on each successfully filed and paid claim. So this is essentially becoming an affiliate for ERC Helpdesk. I do talk a lot in my videos on this channel about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a great way to generate revenue. Why? Well, typically with affiliate marketing, you don't have to invest big in order to earn big. And what I mean by that is, with certain businesses, you do need to invest money up front. The ideal that it takes money to make money, this is definitely true, and it rings true to this day with some aspects of business. But when you're looking at affiliate marketing, a lot of times you can go ahead and get started, and you can earn money by promotion. You can earn money by reaching out to people that you already know. And so for that reason alone, I think it's a great beneficial way to get more income. Now, it does say that their affiliates can find clients by visiting them in their local area, cold calling, talking to business owners they already know, etc. Existing affiliates who really push can earn six figures easily. So also down below this video, I'm going to have a link. The link is going to explain in more detail how you will be paid out and how to sign up for this opportunity if you are interested. And it also gives you an opportunity to go ahead and get started. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to the link, like click the link myself as if I was interested in becoming an affiliate. And I'm going to show you all what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you go to this portion of the ERC Helpdesk to become an affiliate. As you can see, it says, welcome to the ERC Helpdesk affiliate program. So once you reach that page, you know that you are at the right spot. Now, if you're watching this video a while after I record it, the website can look different. So as long as you're clicking that link, you should definitely get to the right place. It does read, welcome to the ERC Helpdesk affiliate program. ERC Helpdesk helps business owners claim up to $26,000 per W-2 employee through the IRS's Employee Retention Tax Credit Program for those businesses negatively impacted by COVID-19 shutdowns in 2020 and 2021. So it also goes over what to do next. So number one, it says register below to get your new unique affiliate link. And then it also has a number two, bookmark your unique affiliate link. Send this to business owners you wish to onboard into ERC Helpdesk. And then three, look out for a welcome email containing your unique affiliate link and your sub-affiliate recruitment link. It also says register now, and it has a slot for your email, first name, last name, phone number, and a password. And then you go ahead and click I agree to receive email notifications, like when I earn commission and other important emails regarding the affiliate program. You click I'm not a robot, and then you'll go ahead and click sign up. So that is what it looks like. So I think this is a great opportunity for those that are interested in making more money. So if you are a business mentor, if you are connected on social media with different business owners, if you have friends that are entrepreneurs that they, and have been filing taxes and have brick and mortar locations, or have employees, and again, they filed taxes, and you know that their business was negatively impacted by COVID-19 shutdowns in 2020 and 2021, this could be perfect for you. You don't have to really even memorize a whole lot. You don't have to really memorize anything, to be honest. If you watch the video that I created, I think last week, and also if you go and read their website information, which is included in the link in that video that I'm referring to, then you'll have all of the details that you need to successfully explain what all the ERC tax credit entails and how they can apply. And then not only can you share that information and possibly get whoever you know $26,000 per W-2 employee back, you can also earn money for yourself. And so this is really, really special. I think this is going to benefit a lot of different people. One way, just to give you some ideas, that I would probably promote the link is if I'm on social media, for example, and I see a post about businesses, which it's not uncommon to see. I will go ahead and I would make a brief summary of what the ERC tax credit is, who qualifies, how to apply, and then also would have like a segue to my personalized affiliate link. So something like, to learn more, click here, or to sign up, click here. And then that way, whoever clicks that link will be able to have more information on how to apply and be able to apply to see if they actually qualify. They'll also have your social media information, because if they just click on your face or whatever your profile picture is, then they'll be able to go to you, send you a DM, reply back to the comment under the post that you initially commented on, and go from there. Another way that you can proactively use your link is by having your link in the signature line of your email. So if you are sending out emails to friends, family, anyone that possibly would be interested in receiving $26,000 per W-2 employee as a tax credit, I would go ahead and make a brief summary in my signature line as well in my email, and have the link there. That way anyone that's interested can go ahead and click the link, and I am getting credit for that. Now, another way that you can generate income through this affiliate opportunity is by actually going to speak with different business owners. So one way to do this is by calling ahead of time to make sure that you're not soliciting, and schedule an appointment with the business representative that day. So maybe the manager or the HR or something like that, and let them know what is available. Tell them all the good information about the ERC tax credit, explain how you can help, and then go ahead and give them your link to go forward with the process. So you're not in a box with this affiliate opportunity. You don't have to look just strictly into social media options. You don't have to look strictly and solely into sending out emails, and you don't have to only rely on going in person either. That's why I mentioned that being creative is really going to help fuel how much money you can definitely earn. Another way that was mentioned is cold calling. Now with cold calling, there are some lists that you can purchase to actually call business owners, or you can go ahead and obtain the phone numbers and contact information other ways. But just getting in touch with different people that own businesses, letting them know what they can qualify for, and then also making sure that you're promoting the link is going to help more business owners the credit back that they deserve, as well as help you make more money. So those are just some ways that I wanted to put out there for you all to kind of get the wheels turning as to how you can utilize your affiliate link. So there's a lot of different ways. If you become really creative on how you can utilize the link to receive additional income for yourself while helping other business owners become more educated about the ERC tax credit. So I really hope that this video helped. If you have any additional questions, feel free to link them down below. Again, I want to thank ERC Helpdesk for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.